So good day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to provide some mild exercises or what we call the ranges of motion. So it is important that our patient were able to receive these mild exercises to maintain the patient's joint mobility. So now let's proceed in introducing ourselves to our patient and identify our patient. So good day po ma'am. I'm Michelle Revilla po, a student nurse. May I know your name po?
Jennifer and Family,
Your birthday?
March 14, 2000,
And your age po?
20 years.
May I see your ID ma'am? So, ma'am, I'm the one po that assigned to give you some mild exercises or what we call the ranges of motion. So, it is important po to have your body to have some exercise to ensure that the mobility on your body is intact and there is no shortening of your muscle and joints and also the formation of contractures. So before I do that, can I ask if your permission if I can touch you during our procedure?
Yes.
So before I put it, do you have any concerns po regarding our procedure for today? So let me just first wash my hands po, ma'am. And we're also going to don some gloves. Now, while on the process, we have to ensure the client privacy, such as closing the curtains. And we're also going to place the head of the bed in a appropriate and comfortable working height. So we have to position the head of the bed in a flat position. Ma'am, please tell me if you feel uncomfortable while I lower the head of the bed. Now we're going to lower also the side views and ensure that the body of the patient is close on us. And also, we have to stand on the side that is being exercised. So, first is there are some things that we must remember before we start the procedure. So first, we have to remember to gently and slowly exercise the patient's joint. At the same time, providing a support on the proximal and distal joint of the patient that is being exercised. Another thing is that we have to repeat the process 2 to 5 times, and at the same time, we must uncover only the patient's side that is being exercised only. So first, we have to start. We're going to start on the head. So first is to tilt the head so that the chin is resting on the chest. 1. Then return it to original position. Now we're going to repeat the process. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to tilt the head on the side so that the chin is on the side of the shoulder. So 1, and return it to original position and on the side. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to move on the hands. First is lift the hands above the head. 1, and return it to original position. Now repeat the process. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, we're going to move this laterally and also across the body. Then return it to original position and repeat the process. 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to bend the elbows it should be on line of the shoulder and flex the hands 90 degrees. Then turning it up and downward motion. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, return it to original position. Now we're going to move the palmar aspect and touch the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, we're going to rotate the hands. The palmar aspect should be upside down. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, we're going to move on the hands. First, we're going to turn the fingers straight, then form it into fist. Okay, then straighten the fingers again. Then repeat the process. 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to bend the hands upward and backward. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to move it side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now moving on the fingers, we're going to separate each finger. And the thumb should be touching all the fingers. Now we're done on the upper extremities. Now we're going to move on the legs. First is to lift the legs and extend it. Then return, then repeat the process. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to move it laterally. And return, then repeat. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to turn the feet on inward and outward motion. Inward and outward. Outward. Inward and outward. Now the ankle should touch the back of the legs. 1, and return it to its original position. 2, 3, 4. Now for the fingers, first we have to turn the sole of the feet upward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, on the side, 1, 2, and 3. Now, for the toenails, we're going to curl it. First, straighten this and curl the toenails. Then straighten, then curl. Then repeat the process. Now we're going to separate each toe. Now that we're done on this side, we're going to move on the other side. First, since we're done on the head, we're moving to the hands. Now that we're done, so ma'am, I'm done exercising your joints po. So please feel free to exercise your joints even if you're alone so that to maintain your joint mobility. So now that I am done, I'm going to remove my gloves and perform a hand hygiene. So that's all for this video and thank you for watching.